All right, we're going. I did a video putting this fisherman and everything in here the other day. I even signed it. Thought I was done, but then I was kind of looking at it, and the fisherman almost looks kind of flat. So I'm just gonna put a touch of highlight on it. Nothing big, nothing big. And I might even put just a little sliver of highlight, you know, on some of these trees and such. Not much. It was just bothering me, so I think I got to remedy it. So I'm going to mix quinacridone red. I was going to use transparent yellow oxide, but that doesn't seem to be working too good. Maybe a little bit too dark. So let's add some brighter yellow in there. Hansa yellow light. Trying to get kind of an orangey, fleshy kind of color. Just putting a little bit of highlight on that fisherman. Now on the back side of him, I'm even going to put some, maybe a little bit of reflected highlight. So I'll put some of that dioxazine purple on the back side just to make him look three-dimensional. A little bit of white, titanium white, and dioxazine purple. Don't need much, just need to give it a tad bit of color. Not much at all. There, now he's kind of three-dimensional. Looks a little bit better. Add some Viridian green to this mix. How about that? Get a bigger brush here. Using a liner brush for that. Gonna get this angled #3 brush. Viridian green and that Hansa yellow. Just dabble some of that green highlight in there. Just on the very edge, not too much. Give the weeds and grasses a little bit of flavor. Maybe a little bit on some of these tree trunks. Yeah, I think that brings it alive a little bit better. All right. Just a little bit in there to make it, bring it alive. Maybe down here on these posts too. My first thought was to leave all this silhouetted, but for some reason that just wasn't doing it for me. Now I'm just dry brushing in some indication of some boards and stuff happening on this dock. Something like that. Now, just doing that, I think actually brought it alive a lot more. So I'm going to call it now. Allegedly, I'm going to call it good. I think I like it better, a lot better now. That being said, we'll say Christ is King, Paine is out.